What's up everyone, ReggieTECH here. I hope you're all doing well and thanks for tuning into the channel. Today we'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, which I'm very excited to start using. And as you guys can see by that image on the box, I did get them in the red color variant, which in my opinion is the best color that I've seen them be released in. And if you guys know me, red is my favorite color, so I'm super excited to have these in red. When I did place the order for this, Samsung was also running a promotion where you get a free wireless fast charger, so that only sweetened the deal. But we'll take a look at that in another unboxing. So I'm excited to get these unboxed and try them out, so what do you say we jump right into this unboxing? So here's the box, and on the front cover we have it saying Samsung up at the top right. It gives you a nice big beautiful image of the Galaxy Buds as well as that charging case in the wonderful red color. You get a nice iridescent coloring for the letters of Buds Plus. Coming over to the side you get some more iridescent colors for Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Up at the top you don't get nothing but that hanging clip thingy tab. On the side you get nothing, on the bottom you get the serial numbers, and on the back is where you get the bulk of the information. So here it says Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. It tells you that this has 11 hours of playtime, it has two-way speakers for rich sound, it has triple mics for clear voice calls, and it's compatible with Qi wireless charging. It also does tell you what's contained inside this package, which is the earbuds left and right charging case. It says that it comes with 3 wingtips, it comes with 3 earbud tips, a USB Type-C charging cable, and the quick start guide. And of course, this is sound by AKG. So let's go ahead and get into this box because I'm excited to see how these look in hand. And as they drop out of the box, the first thing we see is that gorgeous red color. Now, I don't know about you guys, but this looks more like a crimson red or maybe even a hot rod red color. It looks kind of like the Iron Man armor, if I do say so. So let's go ahead and take out the first box that we get in here. In the first box, I assume we're going to be getting all the accessories. So I can already see here we get the USB Type-C charging cable, and then we get a little tray. Guess we can't take out the tray, but you can see in there we have all those wingtips as well as the bud tips. So that's pretty nice to have. I like that they give you a couple options there. Actually you can take that tray out. It was just clipped in there. So here are the extra tips, and here are the wing clips. So they'll have a more secure connection when you put them into your ear. And I like the fact that they gave you a bunch of different sizes as well as the different shapes, like this one. So that's pretty much it for that. The main course is the Galaxy Buds, and let's take off this little piece of plastic here. And wow, these look insane. I really love the color of these. That's a full 360 here. I'm gonna give you guys on the bottom. Let's get that to focus. Wow, the finish that they put on these is just spectacular. Here in the front, I assume that that is the LED indicator light. On the back, we do see that USB Type-C charging port, and if we open them up, we see the beautiful buds inside, and the buds match the color of that case so well. If I'm looking at the buds themselves, on the top where the button is, it actually has a kind of chromish look to it, and that just looks spectacular. Wow, these look amazing. So let's go ahead and start using them, and I'll tell you guys how they sound and my opinions of them. So I've been using these buds for about a week now, and just wow. The first time I put the buds on and set them up, it brought a huge smile to my face, and I was just filled with happiness. The sound quality from these buds is just superb, and the best part is you can customize that sound from the Galaxy Wearable app. They also do have a really cool feature called Ambient Sound. You have the ability to set the amount of ambient sound you want to hear, and it's really amazing how it works. I was just testing these while watching TV for the first time. I turned them on and started to play some music. I couldn't hear the TV, but when I turned ambient sound on, I could still hear the music, but was also able to hear the TV sound clear as day. And you can also customize how much ambient sound you want to hear. Wow, I guess it really does go to show that you really do get what you pay for. I've been using these Alterio wireless headphones for a while as my daily drivers, and previous to them I was using the Treblabs X5. I'm not saying that either of them are bad, they're actually really great headphones, but a major difference I can see is weight, comfort, and sound quality. With these Galaxy Buds Plus, I feel like they aren't even in my ears, and the design makes them extremely comfortable. Especially with the wingtip installed. I find it to be a really nice design versus a lot of the other ones that I've seen and have used. It also comes with 3 different styles, so you can really customize it to the one that fits you best. Oh yeah, and talking about the earbuds and those wingtips, when I first placed them in my ears, they did stay in place. I walked around, I jumped around a little bit, and they didn't move at all. But I did find it weird that the wingtip was still showing and that it didn't really lock into place. So the way that you actually have to get them done is you have to twist the wingtip into your ear like this. And I'm sorry if that looked a little bit weird, but that's the action that you have to do to get them to lock in place in a sense. Getting back to the other headphones, I find it hard to keep them in my ears for more than 2 hours. It just gets very uncomfortable. These Galaxy Bud headphones really do take my breath away. I'm the type of person that likes to hear clean, clear sound with a good amount of bass when I'm listening to anything. And that being said, I'm extremely picky about sound and speakers for that reason. I don't know, maybe it's the sound frequencies or sound qualities that make me a bit agitated and I can't really enjoy what I'm listening to. But with these Galaxy Buds, they really do satisfy all those sound needs, and that really means something. Oh yeah, and mic quality. For this whole portion of the video, I've disconnected my Rode mic and I've been using these Galaxy Buds as the mic for this entire part of the video. So if you want to know about mic quality, you tell me what you think after hearing this. One thing left to see is how they stand up in crowds of people. I've noticed that every other pair of wireless earbuds or headphones that I've used, they get a bit staticky or start having connection issues when I'm in a crowd of people walking around in the city. And that's not really great, you know, you don't have a great sound quality and you can't get to enjoy your music. But I guess we'll have to test that when things get back to normal. A really cool feature that these have is the ability to be charged wirelessly. So all I have to do is drop them on my wireless charging pad and pick them up when I'm ready to head out. Talk about literally cutting every possible cord with these headphones, huh? No wire connecting the buds together, no wire connecting it to your phone, and the option to even have no wire to charge them. I mean, can they be any more awesome? Aside from all that, the controls are very easy, and the best part about it is that you can do the same thing from each bud, unlike on a lot of the cheaper wireless headphones. 1 tap to play or pause, 2 taps to skip the song, and also answer or end a call, 3 taps to go back to the previous song. You can press or hold this, you can press and hold the headphones to decline a call, or you could even set that to be a specific function that you want it to be in the settings. Overall, these are an amazing set of earbuds, and just look at the color. It's a beautiful either crimson or a hot rod red if you may. I mean, that color just matches the superb sound quality that these buds are pushing. And I would 100% definitely recommend you checking these out if you're in the market for some wireless buds. If you guys like this video, go ahead and smash that like button down below, and if you want to see more content just like it, consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell if you want to see my latest videos when I post them. If you guys have any questions or comments on these buds, go ahead and drop them down in the comment section below. I will also be posting a bunch of links on where you can buy them down in that description box if you want to check them out. With all that being said, you guys, I hope you all stay well, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.